rat. A small size rat is called mouse, and big one is called rat. Okay. Uh, long ago, there lived two mice. Mice is plural, mouse is singular. If one rat is there, it is called mouse. If more than one, that is plural. Bahuvachanam aithe mice. Okay. Once upon a time, there lived two mice. They were cousins. They were cousins. What is meant by cousin? Yes, cousin means relation like brother or sister. That is, uncles or aunties son or daughter is called cousin. మీ అమ్మ వాళ్ళ పిన్నికి కానీ పిన్ని పిల్లలు లేకపోతే బాబాయిల పిల్లలు, ఆంటీ అంకుల్ అంటే మళ్ళీ మామ అత్త వస్తారు. కాకుండా పిన్ని బాబాయిల పిల్లలు మీకు ఏమవుతారంటే కజిన్స్ అవుతారు. సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మీరు ఎవరన్నా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఇంట్రడ్యూసింగ్, డోంట్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ యాజ్ హీ ఈజ్ మై కజిన్ సిస్టర్, హీ ఈజ్ మై కజిన్ బ్రదర్, she is my cousin sister, he is my cousin brother. Cousin itself is relation of brother or sister. So the town mouse and country mouse are cousins. That is, their relation is brother relation. Okay, let us see the first picture. Yes, you just observe the first picture. Yes, the picture is divided into two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. What is there in the first part? Yes, you are very good. This is the picture of a village and this is the picture of a town or city. Village is also called country, countryside or country. Country is in another meaning for country is village. What is the what are the main differences between this picture and this town picture? Observe for some time. Yes, you are very good. You say or answer to your mother. Try to say in English. Yes, a woman is having a tuft of green grass on her head with a sickle in her hand. What does it mean? She is coming from the field. She is coming from the field. And you can see a person with some water, two pots of water. Yes. So he is coming from the canal or nearby pond. And some children like you are going to the school. And how are the houses? Only one building is there. Only one building is there, and all the remaining are very small thatched houses or small houses. How the people are? Yes, the people are very calm and peaceful and going very slowly, isn't it? Yes. Coming to the city. Yes, here there is a lot of sounds, I think. Lot of, yes, what is there? Lot of traffic. Many animals are there. Animals, are there animals? No, they are vehicles. Yes, lot of vehicles are there. Big buildings are there. Concrete jungle. A jungle means forest. A forest with lots of trees. Like here, the forest with lots of buildings. So cities are also called concrete jungles. Concrete jungles. Concrete jungles means big buildings full of big buildings like a forest. Oh, these are the main differences between this village life and city life, village life and town life, country life and town life. Do you like village life or country life? Yes, it depends on their opinion. For example, if I am living in a town, I like village. If I am living in village, I like town. the the mentality of human beings is that what they has, they don't like it, isn't it? Okay. And which life is peaceful? Town life is peaceful or country life is peaceful? Definitely country life is peaceful because there will be no lots of traffic, etc., etc. There will be no busy life. So most of the people like a country life because of its pleasantness and calmness. Pleasantness and calmness and peacefulness. Okay. The people will think like this. What about animals? Animals means yes, elephants, giraffes, camels, ఇంకా rats. How do they feel? Do they feel the same? Do they like country life or town life? Let us see. Coming to the lesson. Yes. Look at the lesson. Yes. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse. Town mouse and country mouse. Yes. The town mouse and country mouse were cousins. Cousins means brothers. Of course, they are not born to the same parent, but siblings. So their relation is brother relationship. They often wrote to each other. They have friendship. They have friendship. That is, the town mouse write letters to the village mouse, and village mouse write letters to the town mouse. That is, there is friendship between those two members. One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. One day, the country mouse, that is the village mouse, got a letter. She was so happy to see the letter. And what was there in the letter? The letter was here. Yes, you read the letter. What was there? Kitchen cupboard. From address is kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, 11th March. What is the address? Kitchen cupboard. That is, the town mouse is living in a cupboard. Where is that cupboard? Where is that almara? Yes, in the kitchen. Where do they live? Do they live in a terrace? Do they live on terrace? No. Rats will live, a mouse will live in holes or almaras or cupboards, isn't it? Here, the town mouse is living in, yes. Where it is living? Where it is living? Yes, it is living in the kitchen cupboard. It is living in the kitchen cupboard. And where is the town? Yes, you're right. It is Mouse Town. It is Mouse Town. When the letter was written, 11th March 2012. On 11th March 2012, this letter was written. Who wrote this letter? Bangaralu. Who wrote this letter? Yes. This letter was written by? This letter was written by? Yes, Town Mouse. Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He has asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, your affectionately, Town Mouse. What is the matter of the letter? Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. Town Mouse is feeling illness. It is suffering from illness. Its health is not good. It is suffering from cough. It is suffering from it is suffering from cough. Cough means and my doctor feels. This town mouse went to a doctor, consulted a doctor. The doctor said, because of this pollution, you may got this illness of cough and etc. You do one thing. You go and spend at least 1 week in any village, in any countryside. Countryside means village side, in a village. Immediately it remembered its cousin, country mouse. So it wrote a letter. Cousin, I want to come to your house. I want to stay with you for 1 week. Shall I come? Shall I come to your village? Asked the town mouse, the village mouse. And it wrote the letter like this. Your affectionately, town mouse to the country mouse. Then what happened? Receiving then the country mouse, okay, why don't you can come, you can stay and happily here. After getting good health, you can return. So you come immediately, you come, right? Like this, the country mouse gave invitation. Invitation means saying welcome. Gave invitation. On receiving the invitation from the country mouse welcomed the town mouse. On receiving that welcome, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. Immediately, it started uh, uh, its baggage. It packed its baggage with some dresses and cool drinks, etc., and started. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. Of course, it entered into the train. It got into the train, but on that day, it is very sunny. The temperature is very high. It is feeling so sweat. It is feeling so thirst. Oh God, what is this sunny atmosphere? What is this brightness? What is this train? I can't bear all these things. Felt like that. I wish there was an air conditioned coach, he said to himself. Oh God, this is the normal train. Why don't I got a air conditioned train? Oh, I'm going to the village. To the village, there will be no air conditioned coaches. Okay, I have to stay here on. I have to travel in this normal train only. Okay, it adjusted itself. I feel very uncomfortable here. It is not comfortable here. It is very irritating. It's not. It is a disgusting. I can't stay here. I can't travel in this train like that. Anyhow, it reached the village. Who reached the village? Yes, the town mouse reached the village. Who will be waiting there? Okay. However, there was nothing he could do about. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Anyhow, by with great irritation, the town mouse traveled in that train like our Delta train, Repale Guntur train. It reached the village. The village. There, the village mouse is waiting for the cousin. Waiting for the cousin. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The town mouse got off the train. The train is there, it got off the train. కిందకి దిగేసింది. The train was dreadful. Oh God, this train is very rush and the train is very hot. It's very sunny. It is very dreadful. It is very irritating. The journey in this train is very irritating, said the town mouse to the village mouse. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I'm feeling hot and I'm feeling thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Okay, shall I have some ice cold drink? This water or lemon juice? Like that. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse. There will be no freeze water in the village side, isn't it? Yes, they will use pot water or some other water, pond water, etc. They won't have freeze electricity, etc. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. If you are feeling thirsty, I can give some coconut water here and by, said the country mouse. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Oh God, coconut water? I won't drink. I don't like. Don't you have any orange or lemonade? Do you have any orange juice or lemonade? Orange juice or lemonade? Asked. I am afraid not, replied the cousin. Oh God, this is a village. I can't get that lemon juice or lemonade or orange juice. I'm sorry, said the said the said the very good country mouse. But I found very nice piece of fruit today, and a tender bit of sugar cane. I'm sure you will you will enjoy that. You will enjoy that. Today I got some tender root, very tender, some beetroot, some radish like root. You will enjoy the food today. Said the said the country mouse. Root, sugar cane, the town mouse exclaimed. Oh God, you eat roots, sugarcane, etc., etc. Oh God, I can't eat that type of food. Said the town mouse. But I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I'm afraid you too have to eat this. Try, it's not bad. In villages, we eat only that type of food like sugar canes or beetroots or carrots, etc. And try to adjust with my food, asked the country mouse. Asked the country mouse. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The town mouse didn't like that food. Hey, this food is not good. Just it had very little. This food is not good. Okay, I'm feeling sleepy. I want to sleep. I don't like food today. Like that, it went into the bed. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, "There you are. You can sleep there." In the house, that is in the mouse hole, the country mouse showed a corner. Sleep there. A mole చూపించేసి you sleep there. Said. Then what is the reaction of the town mouse? On the ground, asked the town mouse. Nela mida. On the ground? Do I have to sleep on the ground? What? I have to sleep on the ground? I can't. What do you think? Asked. Yes, this is how we sleep in the country. His cousin answered, yes, you have to sleep on the ground because in the countryside all the uh, rats will sleep like this only. All the mice will sleep like this. You also has to sleep. You also have to sleep on the floor. At the, as the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought something. Cousin, he called out. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. After some time, asked the country mouse, it got something. This is how it is the country. Uh, sorry. Why is it so quiet here? Where are the cars and the lorries? Where are the radios and televisions? Where are all the lights? When the town mouse uh, lay down, it felt very peaceful and calm. Then asked the country mouse, why it is so calm? There is no lights. There are no lights. There is no uh, sounds. Where are the cars and lorries? Asked. Where are the television sounds and radio sounds? Asked. This is how the country. His cousin replied, it is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. In countrysides, there will be no sounds. It is very quiet. Quiet means calm. You can feel that calmness in the villages. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our ground. Oh, is it? The country is the strange place and the town mouse, but he had to himself, I don't think I like this place. Then it started thinking, oh, here the food is not good, the bed is not good, and very calm. I can't stay here. Thought town mouse. We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of fruit and tender bit, a sugar cane. What about tomorrow's food? Tomorrow you may get some tender fruits like sugar cane, etc., etc. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. Immediately it said, okay, I have some urgent work in the town. I want to go back. Please, tomorrow I will go. Why? Because it didn't like the village life. So it started to go back. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. After some time, of course, the town mouse returned to its own place. After some time, the country mouse got a letter. Who wrote this letter? The town mouse wrote the letter. What is that? Uh, from address mouse hole, mouse country, 22nd March 2012. What is the address? Mouse hole, mouse country. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I think you are good. I am saying I am also good. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right with love. I want to see you how your health is. I want to see you once because on that day you started very early and you returned very fastly. So I want to ask something. To town mouse kitchen cupboard mouse down. So like that it asked the